Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the 12 most life-changing healthy habits and tips.
1. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to improve physical and mental health.
2. Balanced diet. Focus on consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains while minimizing processed foods and added sugars.
3. Adequate hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain hydration levels and support bodily functions.
4. Sufficient sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support overall health and well-being.
5. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or spending time in nature to improve mental health.
6. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular checkups with healthcare professionals for preventive care and early detection of any health issues.
7. Limit alcohol and avoid tobacco. Limit alcohol consumption and avoid tobacco products to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve overall health.
8. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger cues, eating slowly, and savoring each bite to foster a healthy relationship with food.
9. Prioritize mental health. Prioritize mental health by seeking support from friends, family, or professionals when needed and engaging in activities that promote relaxation and enjoyment.
10. Stay socially connected. Cultivate meaningful relationships with friends and family to support emotional well-being and reduce feelings of loneliness.
11. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude by regularly acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of life, which can improve overall happiness and well-being.
12. Continuous learning. Engage in lifelong learning by pursuing hobbies, interests, or educational opportunities to stimulate the mind and foster personal growth.
Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in both physical and mental health over time. For more such tips, full video, subscribe our channel, Healthy Life Tips with Muhammad.